Today is the day to start new building bearing. The first part I'm going to install is the crankshaft and main bearings. So I've got the backs or the bearing shells all aligned, nicely cleaned up, 1 to 5 like that. These were the old bearings which came out, so I need to grab the new ones that are previously bought. I've checked all the bolts, they're all looking good, and I flipped the engine over. So start putting it into here. Let's go for it. So you know me, I don't mind admitting when I don't know what I'm really doing. Most of this project is the case. But I'm following the Haynes Owner's Workshop manual for most of this rebuild. So yeah, all the steps that I follow will be in here. The backs itself here, it just says make sure these are nice and clean, which they are, they're super clean. So the first step is putting the ones without the holes into these, into the backs, I think they call them. Yeah, look at that, I'm learning. And the ones with the holes into the actual block it's there. Here we go. So as you can see, one new bearing shell. So, one, let's do the rest. Just the final one. Good. Step one, done. Next part, put the bearing shells into the cylinder block. First time I'm actually putting anything back onto here, so not that I'm nervous in any way. As you can see, the acid dipping process did a really good job cleaning all this up. If you haven't watched the video, I'll put a link above right now. Okay, here we go. Here we go again. This bit's a bit scary. Well, the next step is basically to put the crankshaft into the actual engine. First thing first, lubricate all the shells nicely. Okay. One crankshaft in the engine. Okay, so a slight schoolboy error there. The caps, I can't remember which way you put them in. Obviously, I want to do it the right way around. However, for anyone else as daft as myself, there's actually locators. I'm going to call them locators. So the number 3 has only got one locator here, and when you look at the engine, there's actually obviously one way you can actually fit it. So I know, because of number 3, they all fit like this. So the number 3, in this case, is this way around. So because of that, they all should line up. So I'm going to start that. So that is a crankshaft and main bearing sets done. It's the first part, enjoyable. Next part, pistons. So next step is removing the rods from the pistons, which involves pushing the pin out. I couldn't do. I gave it a go, and yeah, that wasn't ideal. It actually damaged one of them, so I had to ask my dad to help. So we're in Dad's machine shop today. I'm going to go to the machine shop, and he helped me get this one out properly without damaging it. So we're going to do it with the rest of them, these ones. So that's what we're going to do now. So what we actually found was this side has got, where was it? Yeah, this side here, it's got like a lip. This side has not, which means that you've got to press, obviously, from this side through to get out to this side.
No, other way around.
Other way around. You've got to press from this side over to this side. And there's the pin. So we're thinking about turning these, clean them up, and turn them into some cups. So if anyone wants to see a video of us actually machining these, I say we, me, no, not me, my dad, I expect, machining these out and actually putting a glass cup in it, make it a mug or something. I've seen a few of those online, so I thought that could be quite cool. Scary moment.
Right, you need some oil.
I need some oil.
We're going to keep everything clean.
What oil? Your oil. Over there. That oil?
No, that's cutting oil.
Not cutting oil, then. He says you need oil. Like I know what sort of oil he means. Unless I get something stuck on my...
You alright?
Yeah. Just being old and clumsy.
You're old and clumsy.
I said... Between us, we're old and clumsy.
Right. Spot on.
Look at that. First things first, putting the liners in. See, so these are flat on one side. There we go. So liners. They're slightly different than the old liners, don't they? It's the old liner. The scoring and everything, and then they're the new ones. The rings here, basically the idea is that you don't align the gaps on all of them. You should make sure they're separated. Oh, did you know that?
Yeah.
No, you did. Well, the top of these pistons actually have an arrow. Can you see it? There we go. And it says that the arrow needs to face the flywheel, which is down this end. So when it goes in, it has to go like that. Arrow, flywheel.
I'm not sure how you're going to do this all one-handed.
Huh? Well, it's lucky. I've got two people. Okay, so this goes over there.
Yeah, right over the top.
Like that. And pull it tight, and then tap it slowly. Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And then
Let me loosen up a tight thing. Go on. Tighter.
cool.
Again. One more. Just...
One piston in.
Thanks for watching Running 5 Rebuild. So today, as you've seen, we've put in the pistons and also the crank, which is awesome. Feels like a real good step forwards. I still need to install the Piper cam, the new Piper cam that's just been reground. So if you haven't watched the video, check our video and actually see our cam being reground by Piper. So check that video. I also need to put the timing chain on and then do the top end, which is the head, which Imogen has already given us a hand putting together. That will be the next video as well, be included in the next video. If you've enjoyed what you've been watching, please hit that like and that subscribe. The channel, I think we're at 555, so all the fives today. So it'd be really, really nice for us to hit 600 soon. And thanks again so much for actually supporting us and our channel. Cheers, bye.